Hello everyone, I welcome you to your science class. So, today we are going to start our new lesson, that is acids, bases and salts. You all must have heard about these words. Now we will study in detail. So, our first heading is acids. Some food items like lemon, orange, grapes, curd, they are sour in taste, and this is due to the presence of a substance which is known as acids. So acids are those substances which taste sour in nature, and they are corrosive also. What do you mean by corrosive? Corrosive means which can cause damage to the skin और क्लोथ्स, जो आपके स्किन या क्लोथ्स को डैमेज कर सकता है, हार्मफुल होता है, they are corrosive in nature, and it turns blue litmus paper to red. This is the indication or you can say indicator which is used to confirm that it is acid. You will study later in this chapter what is litmus paper. Next is these substances are chemically acidic in nature. Those substances which contain acids, they are acidic in nature. Okay. And these acids are also found in the laboratories. Now we will study about the different types of acids. Okay. Based on the sources from which acids are obtained, कि ये acids किससे बने हैं, they are categorized as organic acids and mineral acids. Acids जो naturally plants या animals से बनते हैं, they are known as organic acids. Some example you can see here: lactic acid जो milk और curds में होता है, oxalic acid it is obtained from tomatoes, tartaric acid it is found in tamarind. What is tamarind? Tamarind is imli. Okay. Citric acid it is found in lemons and oranges. Ascorbic acid in amla and guava. Acetic acid in vinegar. Malic acid in apple, and formic acid it is found in ant sting. So you have to learn these names of the organic acids and their sources. So these are all organic acids. They are found naturally in the plants and animals. Next is mineral acids, acids which are derived from inorganic sources. जो भी acids inorganic sources से obtained होते हैं, derive होते हैं, they are known as mineral acids. अब inorganic sources कौन से होते हैं? That does not come from either plants or animals. Okay, they are made in laboratories and they are used in labs also, like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc. Now next we categorized these acids according to their strength. There are two types of acids. One is strong acid and another is weak acid. जो एसिड्स बहुत ज़्यादा करोसिव होते हैं, जो बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज कर सकते हैं स्किन को, आपके क्लोथ्स को, हार्मफुल होते हैं, दे आर स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड्स. और एसिड्स जो ज़्यादा करोसिव नहीं होते, दे आर not strong acids, they are known as weak acids. Okay, so for example strong acids का आप देख सकते हो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, नाइट्रिक एसिड. और weak acids के example है citric acid which is found in your homes also, oxalic acid, malic acid, acetic acid, these are all weak acids. Next we categorized acids as concentrated acids and diluted acids. Now based on the amount of water present in the acids, those acids which contain small quantity of water, they are concentrated acids, and acids which contains large quantity of water is diluted acids. And you can make concentrated acid diluted into diluted acid by adding water into it. Okay. Next is properties of acids. Acids, they are sour in taste, they are soluble in water. Water के अंदर ये soluble होते हैं. ये ब्लू लिटमस पेपर को रेड लिटमस पेपर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. अभी हम इसके आगे डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज acids are corrosive in nature. They can burn clothes, they can burn your skin, they can damage other materials अगर वो उस पर टच हो जाए. That is why these acids they are stored in glass bottles. Okay, because they can react with metals. Acids they react with metals to form salt and hydrogen gas. Means whenever acid किसी भी मेटल के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो सॉल्ट बनता है और हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज होती है. सो हेयर यू कैन सी मैग्नीशियम है. इट इज़ अ मेटल. व्हेन इट रिएक्ट्स विद हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इट फॉर्म्स मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड विच इज़ अ सॉल्ट एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस इज रिलीज्ड. Next property is acids they react with carbonates to form salt, water and carbon dioxide. That means here you can see there is a calcium carbonate, okay, and when it reacts with an acid, calcium chloride is formed, that is CaCl2 plus water and carbon dioxide is released. Your next property is acids react with bases. जब acids bases के साथ react करते हैं they form salt and water. Means whenever any acid reacts with base it forms its salts. Like here you can see sodium hydroxide, it is a salt. ये react कर रहा है HCl hydrochloric acid के साथ. NaCl sodium chloride ये एक salt है वो बन रहा है एंड वाटर इज रिलीज्ड. नाउ वी विल लुक सम important uses of these acids. First is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is used in variety of industries like fertilizers, detergents, dyes and other chemicals. It is also used in car batteries. Next is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used in processing of steel. It is used to make household cleaners. Next is nitric acid. It is primarily used in manufacturing fertilizers, okay, dyes, plastics, etc. And it is also used in purification of gold. Next type is carbonic acid. It is used in aerated drinks like your cold drinks, etc. Next is acetic acid. It is used in vinegar to give sour taste to the food. Ascorbic acid. It occurs naturally as vitamin C. It is found in citrus fruit, fresh vegetables, and it keeps our skin and gums healthy, and it also helps in healing wounds. And there are several other acids which are used in our day-to-day life.